Hi, we are Team GRIS. As a team lead with a PhD in geology and geotechnics, I am excited to lead this squad composed by two rockstar geologists, one PhD fellow in computer vision, and a software engineer wizard. We bring together a unique blend of software developers with a cutting-edge computer vision expertise to tackle challenges in the intersection between geotechnics and technology. In GRIS, we have two main branches. The first one is manage all the ground information during the lifetime of a construction project, such as borehole information in situ and laboratory tests. This provides the availability to construct a ground model based on geotechnical information. The second one is digitalize the entire geotechnical reports from legacy documents to be included in a project or company database, increasing the available data while decreasing the exploration cost. Our team has developed cutting-edge technology. One example is our in-house trained AI algorithms, especially focused on the interpretation of geotechnical records. Another is our geographic information algorithms for faster and easier spatial data management. We are also proud of our contribution to gathering the largest worldwide public borehole database, with today accounts for around 6 million boreholes in PDF and physical format. You can check it out in the link you will find here in the description.